So we're starting with the live stream. We wait 2 minutes, then the live stream will begin. We wait 2 minutes or 1 minute. Give me a little time. So we wait. Hi, everybody. How are you? How was your day? Everything is fine. Okay, we are live. So today or yesterday we saw a really bad drop to the downside. Many of the moon boys buy here at these levels, but I would not buy. Yeah. Back to greetings to Norway. Yes. So I wait that some subscriber come to the chat so that we start here the live analyze. If some of you know some moon boys, you can invite the moon boys so that they look to my channel and then they can present a good information in their channels. Yeah, you can invite also moon boys. They are also welcome to our channels. Our channel. So for subscriber right, the moon boys fly with Schwebebahn. So last info, I saw that moon boy buy here at these levels. So for me is this is very horrible. Yeah, because this is not a place in which normally the experts buy. The problem is, yes, we have here a little bit uptrend. Yeah, I said also in my last video, the target is 23,000. We could get here a retest at levels of 25, 26,000. Yeah, so you can see even the retests here. That what we saw here at 20,000 to 23,000 is in a lower area. Yeah, you can see this here. Normally, price is going to 23,000, and this what we see here is should happen here. So that was what I have in my mind, but even this year is manipulated to the downside. Yeah, and that's the danger. Even this retest is manipulated to the downside, and that is a sign for me. Okay, more danger, so that we have adjust our targets. Yeah, you can see this retest is not happening like that. Even the retest um, is in a bad situation. Now we have to look more inside, and you can see how terrible this is. Yeah, we predict in the 1 hour chart. This is, I think, a terrible. Yeah, we have to predict here in the 1 hour chart because if you look here to the whole construct is negative. Yes, we have here good signs like a left shoulder hat and a right shoulder formation, but our here, especially this right shoulder, is extreme manipulated. Now we can speculate. Okay, the price looked our negative channel. We can now speculate. Okay, we have here a downtrend here, and can now speculate. Okay, the Bitcoin price will break here this, make this, and be going to this level is 37,000. If I look to this scenario, then I would say maybe 20-30% possible, but we need here a really good uptrend. Yeah, and this uptrend we have not. If you asking me, okay, Wolf, what about this here? Yeah, could we go? Yeah, before this year happening. Yeah, before this is not happened. If you're asking me, Wolf, have we have the energy to break this to the upside? Then I would say yes. Yeah, because we have here the structure to break this. But you can see even this uptrend, what we need is manipulated to the downside. Yeah, and we have extreme negative signs. Yeah, the signs are very extreme negative. You can see also from the fall. And if the price is going to the upside, then I see this area. I make this in blue that you can see here. Then you can see my target if we make a retest is this. Yeah, this here in blue. But I won't explain you this. We delete this so that you're not confused. So in my eyes, I expect here this retest. Now let's look more inside if this is coming true or not. I say this is not coming true, but I know we have to make a retest to this level, 28,000. Let's look why this will not happen. So you can see I zoom in to our chart. So then we can look. What I like here in this chart is we have here higher lows. You can see we have higher lows. So it is for us a sign, okay? We break here the structure, we're going here to the downside, but we are out of this negative channel, okay? Then we can say, okay, this is a positive signs. We could make here a retest of these levels. Let's look more inside to understand here the structure. Let's look. So in my eyes, what possible is, let's say, okay, this is our positive structure. Yeah, this is our positive channel. You can see we're going here to the downside, make this move here, make a second move. And normally this is so that we have to go to these levels, make a retest, and then we fall here to the downside. Yeah, that is what I see. Yeah, let's look more detail. If we say, okay, we have here our left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, then one step more to the upside is possible. And if we break this, then we will go here to 26,000. So this is in my mind that can happen because the negative channel is coming from here. So I think if we're staying here in this channel, it is possible, the 25,000. Yeah, but important is what happens and then. Yeah, if you have such structure like this, and you can see the RSI is going to 66. Yeah, then I expect a really hard crash to the downside. My target is 16,000, but this 16,000 will not hold. We will smash to 9,000. Yeah. So this is in my eyes. One possibility one is, let me look. We make this in green. So possibility one is this. We're going to 26,000. Possibility two is the blue line. if we look here more inside, then we can recognize that here this is the last move here to the upside, and then we will fall. Let's look in the 30 minutes chart, what I not like, because so short-term analysis is not my case. Yeah, I know this, but in the short term you cannot see so much. But in these days it makes sense to look more inside to understand the structure. And if you look here, and that what I see that I not like, yeah, because you can see we have no structure, we have new trend lines to the downside, and that what you see here is the manipulation or the blinding of the walls to you. Yeah, you can see we want here start a new uptrend, and even this new uptrend is broke. Yeah, that is the danger point here. So in my eyes, this green line is 20-30% possible. I speculate that the blue line will happen. Maybe the blue line uh, could be stretched to these levels here, but in the end of the day, we will smash to these levels for 18,000. Let's look to the chat. What my subscribers say to me. So XCP, we're looking today to XCP. Yeah. Hello Wolf, thank you. Okay, you've been warned. Okay, short all. Wolf, all I want to know is when to buy. Please tell me. Kian, you are too late to short. Yeah. Maybe if you say, okay, I want short at 20,000, the price of Bitcoin will fall to 9,000, then you have a gain to 10,000. But this shorting of Bitcoin, I said to you, if you follow my channel, I said this to you that we will fall to 30,000 here at these levels. Even earlier here at 56,000 and at 68,000 I said to you we will fall to 30,000. And look, if you follow my channel at this time, how profit you have here, you have a lot of benefits. Look here. And if you short this with 3x, yeah, then 30,000, then calculate this with 30, yeah, then you are landing at 100,000, yeah, in the free channel. So you have also benefits if you are a member, yeah, you get this information also earlier. But to short here at 20,000, yeah, you have to know this, yeah. In general, if you look here to this, I would say let's wait what happens here. Yeah, in my eyes, I calculate that the price fall to 16,000. We could get an uptrend to test this level here at 25,000 or this level. Yeah, because if you look more inside, then you can see an interesting constellation is here rising. Yeah, if you look here, we have here our negative trend, negative channel, and we tried this so much to come out of this channel. Yeah, you can see we tried second, the third time, and this year will be a really good possibility for Bitcoin to come out of this negative channel. So I think if the price drops here to 16,000, that we could make this year, yeah? But this formation is not, how can I say, strong. So I think I calculate that the price will go here to 30,000 levels, test this here, and then finally drop to end of the year to 7,000 or 9,000, something like that. Yeah. So this is too extreme if the prices fall from nearly 47,000 to 24,000. Yeah. This is huge. Yeah. This is nearly 50%. Normally we have to stop here. If you look to the history, after 50% drop, we have to stop. But here in this in this time period, you can see clear that we are, how can I say, drop not like a normal drop. Yeah, you see that this is an end cycle. Yeah, and we drop really massive. This is the difference between normal dropping and how can I say, the end cycle drop. And that's the key information what the Moon boys not understand, that we have here a total different construction, not that you can not the information or not the construct that what the Moon boys um, read in the books. Yeah. So we're looking here to the chat. So Mile say here in the chat, I told so many people about you, they don't believe me. Now they crying. Yeah, they should cry, yeah, because so many Moon Boys channels on YouTube, and one of them say buy here at this level. Why? There's no reason why you should here buy, yeah. Maybe he buys and say, okay, 4 or 5 years he not selling Bitcoin, but at these levels I would never buy. This is my personal uh, opinion. Yeah, why? There's here no reason to buy. From a technical point of view, no sense. Maybe if the walls manipulate this year, you can see 22 to 70, that they make a really hard upside. But even if they make this to the upside, it makes, there's no reason to buy here at the moment, because we are here in the negative channel, and you can see again and again this Bitcoin price stay in the 50% area. 50% to upside, 50% to the downside. And he or Bitcoin price cannot decide, yeah, should I go here to the upside or to the downside? And these extreme situations, yeah, like 50% is extreme danger. These are signs that the crash is coming. Yeah, keep this in your mind. Maybe Moonboys, you can take this part in your channel, then you can explain your subscriber that if the price stays here at 50% levels, the hard drop is coming. So now they want to come to my channel. They are welcome. They can come, yeah. But yeah, I'm not a Moonboy channel, so I not give the people here uptrend prices in which we never reach or something like that. I want to look to Ethereum. I said here at the Ethereum price, the first target was 1,500, yeah, and then the second target was 700, yeah. So this is coming more and more in the area in which I predict in the past. And let's look here more inside. You can see, you can forget Ethereum. You can see clear we break the structure. What possible is that we make a retest but I think even this is not possible. Yeah, we have a good structure, so it is maybe possible. Yeah, I saw this in the past that the cryptos go here to this levels. Look here, 500 to the upside. Then we make a retest and then fall. But the problem is if we make this, I would say 20%, 30%, it make no sense. Why the price should go here to these levels? I know, okay, retest and so blah blah, but that is horrible. Yeah, if we're going here to 500 and fall, then $1,000. So it make no sense. Yeah, so if you look here more inside, that's the reason why I give them 10% or 20%. If you look here more inside, then you can see that we reach here 47 1 hour chart. Yeah, and if you look here, let's say let's say we break this and make this. Yeah, and we make this again. Okay, I understand we have a good structure. We could go here to the upside, but how terrible is this? Look, we are here at the neckline. This is the neckline here. And in this neckline, even if we break here, we have not so much energy to the upside. So in my eyes, this is not possible. Yeah. In my eyes, I think we could go sideways, yeah, make this and then fall to the downside. And the next target, um, I my first prediction was 1,600, 1,500. This is reached. Now the second target was 700. This will also reach. But my end target, if Bitcoin goes to 9,000, then we see Ethereum at 300. Yeah. Now some of you will ask me why 300. You can see we have here a really a good uptrend. Look here. Exact. I don't know why this is, but every line what I draw here is exact. Yeah, yeah. So if you adjust a little bit, uptrend is going from here, then you can see exact. Long term, if we look to the Ethereum price, you can see 26 extreme cheap, but we are not the moon boys. Even if this 26 in crash situations is 26 also expensive. So we're looking here to let's look what is this? Zero. Okay, I will buy. Let's look here to XRP. One subscriber say to me here XRP. Let's look to XRP, one of my favorite cryptos. Forget the ECC. ECC is here. You can forget this, yeah. Uh, the price will go. My target was here. Let's look to 20 cent. We have to look more inside. I'm honest to you. For XRP holder, it makes really not sense if they if they buy at 30 cent, 20 cent, or 10 cent. Yeah. Um, if you know what is the end target, you would also buy now. Yeah, because the end target is really crazy, and many of the people um, if they look to the XRP price, don't know how potential this has. Yeah. One example, if the price is going from 0.004 to $3, this is a value of 1,000 or 100. Yeah, I think not 100, 1,000. Let's calculate this. I want to know this exactly. So $3.50. So this is a factor of 100. So if something goes 100 times to the upside, then you have to look with your eyes very detailed, because the next trend is even harder. Imagine we going from $1 level 100 times to the upside, then we are landing at $100. Yeah. So it is a very extreme crypto, what I think has potential upside. Let's look more inside that you understand which we are, in which area we are. Let's look. We have here this. We are out of this negative channel. Let's look. Yes. We have here a good left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. The price could go a little bit to the upside, to these levels, but don't blind yourself with this. I expect the XCP price, I would say, at 20 cent, yeah, something like that. The price could go to 21 cent, but this is not the end target. If Bitcoin drops to 9,000, I think this is the end target if Bitcoin goes to 16,000. But I think if Bitcoin drops really hard to the downside, then we can expect also lower prices. Let's look to the chat. So Jay Munro say here to me, uh, me too, told everybody and they laughed so much. Now you have to explain this. Yeah. Um, are they laughing about the Moon Boys, or are they laughing about us? Yeah, we are right. So there's no reason that they're laughing to me or to our subscribers. Explain this, please. So let's look to scale. Yes. Um, if I look to this scale, this is in my eyes a gem. Yeah. Why this is a gem? Because we're forming so beautiful formations. Yeah. If you see here 11 cent, then we're going to 30 cent. This is in my eyes gain. Yeah. Profit dollar. And if you look here more inside to this structure, then you can see we have a really, really, really good pattern. After this pattern here, you can see this is a huge triangle. This will explode. Yeah. You can see also we are here, but we are now out of this triangle. So we have to adjust a little bit. and I would say at 001 this has really good potential. So if you see something like that, that not means, yeah, if we break here the structure to the upside, yeah, then we are safe and Bitcoin will go here to the upside and we are all rich or something like that. No, we need here the time. I would not expected some information like that. I would expect something like that, yeah, so that the people not see that we are out of this negative channel, and then the price will go here to the upside and make this formation. Look to the timeline, please. We need this time here, yeah, to build here the structure and build here the hammer. And then I would expect in 2024 and 5 that we're going here to these levels and test. So a lot of time will go here in the desert, yeah. So don't think if we break here this to these levels here that we are safe and everything is over. No, the votes will stretch this over 2 years, 3 years. But it is clear, yes, the triangle it gets closer and closer. We will break here out, yeah. But this is not the bull run, yeah. The bull run it starts here 2024 and 5. So I would make here um, two cryptos, and then I would finish. If you want to know the end target for scale, that is really crazy. Yeah, so people who have the membership of Exclusive Club or of Price Target know here the end target for you, maybe as reference. If something goes from 0.03002 to levels of $1.40, this is like XCP, yeah. And I wait that the price is going to 0.001, and then if the project is not dead, you will get here big smile and bigger smile. The people, the subscribers of the memberships or the member of my channel, they will get here a bright smile because they know the end target for this. Yeah, this is not $1. This is not $2. This is completely different. Like Mars, yeah, different area. So uh, let's. Good morning. We have here good night. Greetings to Australia. Yes, Australia is good. Yeah. You have the big spiders. Yeah. In Germany, we have nothing. We have only good companies and work a lot of. Yeah, but no nature. Um, so give me two cryptos, then I analyze this, and then one is IL, ILV. Okay. So let's look to Bitcoin back and look what happens there. So that is crazy that I have to go to the 1 minute chart to understand that something. That is crazy. Yeah, that is not good. That we're going to the 1 minute chart to analyze something. Yeah, but we have to because the world's manipulate so much. You can see we built here a good structure, but the whole structure here is negative. You can forget this. Even if we're going here to the upside, yes, we have a good structure, but a few minutes ago I told you if we delete all these things here, we have more negative energy to the downside than positive energy to the upside. Let's look here to, yes, the Fed. The Fed will kill. I would not say kill, but they want that the price should go, or they want that the price should go here to the downside because the end cycle is coming, or is at the moment the end cycle, and the end cycle has energy to go here to 3,600. Yeah, I think my target first is 16,000, then 9,000. Yeah, here, and finally, if you break here the 9,000, then finally I would say 3,500. Let's look here to, let's look. Wow, too many requests. Let's look here too. I won't analyze so many cryptos this weekend. So I think these requests you can make in the Wolf Profi and other membership. There you are get really good informations. Let's look here to this. Hoi, this is going to 2000. And imagine somebody buy here at 2000 and now this is here 173. Um, I ask myself, where's Elon Musk? Yeah, why he not tweet about the Dogecoin? The dog is dying here. Why he is not tweeting or make a tweet? Yeah, you can see the dog is at the moment dying, and I miss Elon Musk. Where is he? Could you find Elon Musk and send him to my channel? He should answer me the question here. Why he not tweet at the moment where the dog is dying at the moment? Yeah. Why he have to tweet here? Yeah. I give you the answer. Um, this is yeah this is a normal uptrend, yeah, but they need the people, yeah, to make here a party, yeah, a hype, so that they tweet here, and this is an uptrend, normal uptrend, and that the people jump on the train, yeah, and here we are in a downtrend, and there's nothing to tweet, yeah. They want that the price should fall here to the downside. So the question is, why Elon Musk is not tweet here at these levels? Yeah, maybe you can map my video below his tweet. Yeah, then they can answer to me why he not tweeting here. You know? If you know this, then you know how they manipulate the price. So we're looking here to back to this. So we have this. Look, you can see we have here a negative trend line. What I not like is if you look here more inside, then you can see we have a huge negative trend line. The neckline is here, and we're coming to the neckline here. It's the inverse left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. And if this neckline breaks, yeah, a massive downtrend will begin. Yeah. This is a neckline. We have to be here very careful. and this neckline is aggressive negative. So from experience, I would say we have here two possibilities. One is this, break the neckline, or break here at the moment of the neckline and go here to the downside. So both are the same, but have or has different ways. But in the end of the day, we will break here the structure. This year, if you look to this uptrend, this is similar to Bitcoin. Yeah, the vaults can manipulate or stretch this to 26,000 at the Bitcoin price, and here also the vaults can manipulate this to these levels here, especially if you look here. This is our channel, sideways channel, and they could make a retest. Look, price 173 to 255. I don't think that will happen, but I say to you both way that you see what possible is. Yeah, but in the end of the day, if you look here, we have a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation inverse. Keep this in your mind. It depends to this. Yeah, if we break a little bit to these levels, then I know, okay, we make this way and exactly in direction of $40. So we make two cryptos, and then I would finish. So let's look to this. Okay, I don't know what this is, but I have not to know every crypto. It's enough if I know the chart. Yeah. I'm honest to you, I would um, avoid these cryptos, yeah, because these cryptos has a potential, yes, but not the potential that what we know from extreme good cryptos. Yeah, you can see the price drops to 0.002. Target is 0.001, but long time we will go here sideways, and then the price will go here to 2023 to these levels. Yeah, we need this structure here to form a really good left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. From a technical point of view, it seems good. Yeah, but if you look here to this structure, I would say this crypto has in bull run. Yeah, if we are in a bull run, I expect something like that. Yeah, so in this direction. If we are in a bull run, but we are not in a bull run at the moment. So we're looking here two more, and then uh, this is very interesting. One subscriber right here. If Bitcoin goes to 3,500, I sell my horse. How many horse you have? Yeah, the horse looking then to you. Why you selling me? Yeah, then they ask you maybe what the fuck? Why you selling us? So we're looking here two more, and then I would finish. Uh, SLP, I would avoid this. This has a really bad structure. SLP, you can see we have here this move to the downside. If you look here, long term, same what I said before. In this such cryptos like this, yeah, these are cryptos with long sideways movement. Yeah, and then 2025, if when the bull market is ending, then this smash to 20 cent. You wait here to 3 years to get the price to from 0.01 to 18 cent. There are other cryptos, they are really more hot than this. I would avoid this. So oh, racehorse, very interesting. So we're looking here to I don't know what is this KPL. Okay. I would also avoid this. The reason is, look, let's look if we find here another chart. So 2021 is a better chart. So I'm honest to you, this has potential again to go here to 2000, yeah. But we have to look to this structure, yeah. What happens here? If you're asking me, yes, we have potential again to these levels, but you can see from my drawing here, I expect not a quick start in this level. So I think we will move between $60 and $300. Then 2025 we will make here outbreak. Yeah, the price will go here to these levels. Yeah, but if you're asking me, yeah, has this potential to the upside? Then I would say to you yes, but it is too early to say something in which direction we can go. But if I look to this, then I have a clear mind in which direction this can go. Yeah. If I now predict to you, I know this. If I predict to you the price will go here to 8,000, 10,000, you would not believe me because you have not the same information like I. Yeah. But I have to be here 100% sure. And this 100% sure is at this moment too early. Yeah, I can say to you, okay, we have potential to these levels, yes, but this information is for you, not, how can I say, uh, with a really value, because the vaults can manipulate this at these levels. Yeah, then we are landing here. Yeah, then we have this. The vaults manipulate here, and then we are at $1,000. It's also a good information for you, but to get here really clear information, um, we have to wait until 2020, uh, end of 22 or beginning of 23. Then we are more clear. But if you want direct answer to me, direct answer to you, yeah, that if you ask me, then I would say this has potential to 10,000. Yeah, that is clear what I see here at the moment. But that this I cannot say to you this, yeah, because we have to. If I say something here, then I won't get here 100% sure, and this 100% sure is we have to wait a little bit. You know? So that this channel works in that way. Yeah, I cannot say to you 10,000. I see this, yeah, 10,000, but I'm a man. He want first sure, and then I can predict. So one more, and then we finish. Let's look together. So also the same, I know the end target here. That is clear. You can see this. The end target is very much high, really exclusive, really hot. But here also the same. We have to wait a little bit to get here this retest at these levels. Then we can say more. I know this what will happen. Yeah, so we'll make a retest and so on. But there are some points which the vaults can manipulate it. So for me, I can show you here three possibilities. Yeah, one of them is right. Yeah, but we have to wait a little bit so that we I see no manipulation. But from the technical point of view, if you look here, what I not like is this here. Look here, extreme negative channel is here. Yeah, this channel is not good. The price is going here to 002. We have this negative channel. We have a triangle that gets closer and closer. So in my eyes, if we look here to this, then the next target is 002 again, like this. And then we have to look if we can break this structure here at these levels. Yeah. This is July. Let's see. But long term, very good. Short term, I would avoid this, yeah, because we have energy to go here to 002. You can see again retest or 001 at these levels. So I would say we finish. For more, please become a member. Um, Go to the membership, press the button, search the membership what you want, what is good for you. And if you want the end targets, please listen here very exactly. In the Wolf price target, you can request one crypto with an end target. In the Wolf Exclusive Club, you can request so many cryptos, but every crypto request costs for you. Yeah. There's an offer. If you request four, you only pay free. Yeah, one is free for you, the last video, and that's the offer from my side. So let's look last time here to Bitcoin price 21,500. Let's look. We're staying still here at these levels. One minute chart. Yeah, look, 1 minute chart. So we're looking at the 1 minute chart. So now we're looking here at the 30 minutes chart. We call this a hammer. We are out of this negative channel, but I'm not trusting this. Yeah, so in my eyes, we have here like this is possible. Yeah, or what also good is if we say this is our hammer, from this point we have here really not the structure. What I think, what possible is, yeah, we have to stay here real and more detail. One possibility is this. The other possibility is this. I explain you the reason why I think so. If you look here to these levels, this has the same structure like this. And look what happens here. The price breaks here down. So I think I will observe this, and now I have in my head 40%, 50% this, to this line, and 50% this. But in the end of the day, both are same. If you're falling from 24,000 to the downside here, or from this the same way, but different different characters, but the same direction. So I wait that we break here this structure and then fall to 16,000. Have a nice day. See you later.